Hey, Rob down here with Truck Mount Forums, and I want to talk to you about the new and improved Rotovac Shear Dry. Yes, it's been around for a little while, this upholstery tool has. However, now it has this cool, clear headed design on it, so you can see all the products being flushed out. You can make sure it's completely clean, and you can also tell if the tool starts to get clogged. You can take it apart. It's very simple, and you can do your little maintenance work to it, where other tools where you can't see through it, you don't know what's going on, they get clogged, you don't get as good a cleaning results, and also it doesn't dry as fast. You don't know what's going on. So I really like the tool a lot, and I really love the fact that they switched over to this clear head, and it's basically a bulletproof style glass. So it's really durable. However, if you do need to replace it, it's very inexpensive and very simple to replace. Remember, it's still a jetless tool. It's very lightweight, so there's not much fatigue with it. And what I really like about it is it just really cleans well, and it dries extremely fast. And why is that? It's because it has a dual vac and a dual spray design on it. So basically what's happened is when you've got it down onto the upholstery, it's vacuuming and it's drying in both directions. How cool is that? Plus it's got an edge slot built in, so it gets right up to the very edges of the upholstery. All right, does a great job. You can really work on those little corners and stuff. So I like that a lot about it. So remember, it cleans forward and it cleans backwards, so that's really nice about it. Plus it gets you a complete seal. What does that complete seal do? Well, it encapsulates or captures the heat and maximizes the cleaning ability, because you're really keeping that heat in there. And we know heat really helps get the upholstery clean. Also, what I like about it is it's non-streaking, so it doesn't streak when it goes across the upholstery. It doesn't over-wet your upholstery, and it doesn't drip, and there's no overspray. So that's really nice. I think that's very convenient. Also, it still comes with the 10-foot hideaway hose, so your solution line is built on the inside, so it's not in your way. It's got a real simple and easy to use trigger. It's just very comfortable, and it's very low fatigue, so I like that a lot. So you can sit here and clean. It's lightweight, and yet it's powerful and does a great job. It's just so simple, and I really love the clear head design and the quality and the fit and the finish of it. And don't forget, remember, that it's just easily cleanable, and the head's very easy to replace if you ever need to. And it comes apart with the screws here, pops right apart, and you can clean it, you can maintain it, and you can see exactly what's going on when it comes to cleaning and it comes to repairs or maintenance. And that's a definite plus for all of us cleaners. Now, however, all you basically is just seeing the tool here, right? But I know you'd love to see it on a live job, really see it in action and see what it does. So let's take a look right now. I really like the jacket that comes with it. It keeps it from scratching hard surfaces, especially hardwood floors, and also keeps the heat off of carpets and other sensitive surfaces. Now notice as we're going over the furniture here, you can see the soils and the oils coming up. You want to make sure you give it a good flush until it runs clear. Notice it's running clear right now. That's what you're trying to achieve. There's nothing wrong with putting a good amount of pre-spray down, especially on the seat portion if there's a lot of oil. Let's work your way around the edges, and you can do the centers, and after you do that, you can go ahead and move on to the back of the unit. You know, and everybody has their different style. There's nothing wrong with that. The main thing is you just want to be very thorough and do a good flush, and that's what the clear head does for you. It allows you to get that clear flush and see when it's completely clean, and it's got the edge slots too. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and this review of this fine tool. Remember, you can find it at tmfshop.net. We have all these fine products along with all different types of cleaning products, some of the best pre-sprays and rinses that you can find inside of the industry. For more reviews and more information, I have a free video on YouTube that shows you how to clean all different types of upholstery. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our forum, truckmountforums.com. It's the industry's largest resource, and it's a complete free resource. You can go in there and you can build your business. Also, if you need quick, fast answers, you can go to our Cleaning Professionals Facebook, TMF Facebook page, and you can find all the information that you need to grow your business and really become a whole lot more profitable. Well, I'm Rob Allen with Truck Mount Forums. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have yourself a great day.